If you're interested in manifesting your specific person already being deeply in love with you, then this is the meditation for you. This meditation is sponsored by Better Sleep. Personally, my brain does not shut down on its own. If I don't take something like melatonin or Unisom, I'm automatically up until well past 2 a.m., which is a problem since I have to be awake at 5:55 a.m. But Better Sleep has been a total game changer for me. It has helped me get better rest, and their stories have stopped my mind from spiraling. But they aren't so gripping that I stay up to hear the ending. If you haven't heard of Better Sleep, they are one of the world's top rated sleep and relaxation apps that helps you fall asleep faster and wake up feeling recharged. There are over 300 sounds you can customize and drift off to, including white noise, ASMR, binaural beats, and nature sounds. They also offer guided meditations, sleep hypnosis, and sound frequencies designed to help you transform your mindset while you rest. And if you're manifesting love and connection, I highly recommend trying the 417 hertz solfeggio frequency for manifestation, which is available on Better Sleep. This frequency is known to help clear negative energy, remove emotional blockages, and support transformation and new beginnings, making it a powerful tool for calling in your specific person's love. Since I started using Better Sleep, I've been falling asleep nearly 2 hours earlier than usual and waking up with way less daily stress. There are also guided sleep hypnosis and meditations that can help you drift off to sleep and experience deeper sleep. You can also listen to one of the hundreds of bedtime stories to help you nod off, which is my favorite. Once the story is over, the background sounds continue all night if you want them to, or they fade out. My loves, this has been life changing for me. The stories are interesting enough that I can focus on them so my brain doesn't fly off in 100 directions, but they're not so interesting that I stay awake to finish them. Let Better Sleep also help you fall asleep faster. You can use my link to try 7 days for free at trybettersleep.co/Janell. Now let's begin the meditation, and feel free to use the 417 hertz solfeggio frequency for this meditation. Now place your hand over your heart and visualize the person you want to already love you. They think about you constantly. You are on their mind morning, noon, and night. They replay the sound of your voice in their head because it's their favorite sound. They can't help but smile when they think of you, laugh because it's the most beautiful music they've ever heard. Every word you've ever spoken to them is etched in their memory. You are their peace. You make them feel seen, heard, and understood. No one compares to you. No one else has the unique magic that you bring. They are already in love with you. They can't stop thinking about you. They can't stop dreaming about you. They are already obsessed with you. You are their dream come true. You are the love they've been searching for. You are already together right now in this moment. They are hopelessly, madly in love with you. You are their one and only. They can't get enough of you. They see you as the absolutely best thing. They see you as the absolute best thing to have ever happened to them. You're their oxygen. You're their reason to wake up in the morning. You are their motivation to be better. They want to give you everything. They want to spoil you. They want to cherish you. They want to adore you. You are the one who sets their soul on fire. You are the one who makes them feel alive. With you, they feel like they found home. They're not looking anywhere else because you are it. You are everything they've ever wanted and more. You are a magnet for love. They can't resist you. They are drawn to you like a moth to a flame. They are completely captivated by your presence. Your smile melts their heart. Your touch sends shivers down their spine. Your voice is the sweetest sound they've ever heard. It is already done. They are already yours. They are already in love with you. Bask in the glow of knowing you are loved, adored, and cherished. They can't believe someone as amazing as you exists. And even more, they can't believe you're theirs. This love is a partnership, a union of two souls that were always meant to find each other. You are the one they want to spend their life with. You are the love of their life. You are the center of their universe. Everything in their life revolves around you.